In this video, I'm going to show you how WPCodeBox's cloud features will save you hours when reusing snippets on multiple WordPress sites. WordPress plugins come with a slew of headaches. Managing and updating them is time-consuming, they can be pretty expensive, and setting up your standard plugin stack for new projects can also be a bit of a hassle. By using WPCodeBox to replace single-use plugins with lightweight snippets, you'll have more control than ever, avoid performance pitfalls, and best of all, you'll unlock WPCodeBox's cloud features to easily share and reuse snippets on all your sites. This is Elijah from WPCodeBox. Let's get coding. First, let me show you some of the snippets I'm using on this example site. For my WooCommerce store, I've set up a snippet to redirect customers directly to the checkout page when they add an item to their cart. I've also got two JavaScript snippets. The first one adds a countdown timer to the top of the site, and the second one adds a customer purchase callout at the bottom left to encourage more people to buy our products. Normally, each of these would probably be their own dedicated plugin with their own additional costs, but by using a snippet, I not only avoid the extra costs, but I also have 100% control over the code. For when I'm making tweaks to the site, I've also got a snippet for turning on maintenance mode. Again, another dedicated plugin avoided completely. But what if I want to use these snippets on other sites? No problem. I'll just organize all these snippets into some nicely named folders, then upload them to the WPCodeBox cloud. Now I can reuse them anywhere I want. Let me show you how that works. I've got a fresh WordPress and WooCommerce site, and I need some of those snippets I just showed you. I just need to grab the WPCodeBox install file from my.wpcodebox.com based on which API key I want the site to use. The API key will be automatically activated when I activate the plugin. If I need more granular control over API access, for instance, I'm installing this on a client site, I can create more WPCodeBox API keys to restrict access to cloud features and grant or revoke access on a per-key basis. Now, if I open WPCodeBox and navigate to the cloud library, I'll see all the snippets I saved from the previous site. I can download them one by one if I want, but since I need all of them, I'll grab the entire folders, move them down from the cloud, and activate them in a matter of seconds. And that's all it takes to migrate tons of customizations from one site to another using WPCodeBox's cloud features. WPCodeBox also gives you access to a public snippet repository, which has a ton of useful snippets. Let's grab the Google Tag Manager snippet. And since I'll need this on other sites, I can add it to my cloud library to include it with the rest of my standard snippets. When you make changes to a cloud snippet, the changes are saved locally, keeping the boilerplate code in the cloud preserved. But if you have a change you want to reuse on future sites, you can push your changes back up to the cloud easily. As you can see, incorporating WPCodeBox into your workflow will save you tons of time. You'll be able to build bundles of snippets, save them to the cloud, and reuse them for all your new projects. Best of all, you're avoiding the bloat, added management time, and cost of single-use plugins entirely. If you're ready to streamline your code snippet workflow, visit WPCodeBox.com to try WPCodeBox today.